Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious quesadillas at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 8-inch flour tortillas, about 1 cup of shredded cheese like Monterey Jack, and your favorite fillings. Think cooked chicken, seasoned ground beef, or sautéed vegetables. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build our quesadilla. Lightly butter one side of an 8-inch flour tortilla. This helps achieve a beautiful golden crisp. Place the tortilla, butter side down, into a warm, non-stick pan over medium heat. Evenly sprinkle about 1/2 cup of your chosen shredded cheese over the entire surface. Then, add your prepared fillings onto just 1/2 of the cheesy tortilla. It's time to cook your quesadilla to golden perfection. Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled side, creating a half-moon shape. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side until it's golden brown and the cheese begins to melt. Then, gently flip it over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the second side, ensuring both sides are crisp and the cheese is completely melted and bubbly. Once your quesadilla is beautifully golden and the cheese is melted, carefully remove it from the pan. Let it rest on a cutting board for about 1 minute. This helps the cheese set slightly. Then, using a sharp knife, cut the quesadilla into 3 or 4 wedges. Serve your homemade quesadillas immediately with your favorite toppings, such as fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.